Beanie Bombini! Whoa! So many different picture packs! Pick the one you like the most and start drawing! Let's draw a sweet cow. First, draw the cow's head. Then, small ears. Good work. Draw the cow's horns. Now, draw an oval spotted body. Brown. Draw its udder. And now, let's draw 2 legs. Wonderful! And 2 more legs. And the cow's tail with a switch. What a cute cow you have drawn! Let's draw a playful rabbit. Draw the rabbit's round head. And a little nose. Black. Nice job! Now, draw its face. And 2 long ears. Wonderful! Let's draw its body. Now, add front legs to your rabbit. And hind legs. Awesome! Now draw the rabbit's fluffy tail. What an amazing rabbit! Let's draw a curly-haired sheep. First, draw its head. Yellow. Good start. Make it smile. And a little nose. Black. That's really good. And now, draw the sheep's ears. Now draw the sheep's curly-haired body. Excellent! Draw the sheep's legs, 2 straight lines. And now, 2 more. What a beautiful sheep! Let's draw a funny-looking pig. Draw the pig's spotted body. Pink. Good going. And now, draw the pig's snout. And mouth. Red. Draw triangular ears. Pink. Great! And add a curly tail. And at last, draw a mud puddle for your pig. What a funny picture you've made! Let's draw a funny turkey. First of all, draw a round head for your turkey. Brown. And a sharp beak. Red. And the earring near the beak.
Hello?
Now draw its body and neck. Brown. Excellent! And a wing.
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
The turkey needs a big, nice tail. Draw it. Good job! Now draw legs. 2 sticks. Orange. Wow! What a beautiful turkey you have made!
Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Hello?
Let's draw a horse. First of all, draw its head. Brown. Now make it smile. Black. Draw the horse's little ears. Brown. Very nice. Draw its neck. A short and thick straight line. And an oval body. Now draw its beautiful mane and a tail. Draw 2 legs so it can gallop. Excellent! And 2 more legs. Wow! Your horse is rearing up. What a pretty horse! Let's draw a cute chick. Start with drawing its round head. Blue. Now draw a pointy beak to it. Orange. Good job! Now it is time for the chick's body. And a small wing. Fabulous! Draw the thin legs so it could hop. Orange. Wonderful! What a lovely chick! Let's draw a friendly donkey. First, draw the donkey's head. Violet. Then add an oval muzzle. Great! Draw a charming smile on its face. Black. Beautiful! Now draw a long ear. Violet. And then another one. Good job! Draw its neck and its mane. And now draw its body, a big oval. Super! Next, draw the donkey's legs so it can kick. First, 2 legs. And then 2 more. Perfect! Draw a tail with a switch. Terrific! What a nice-looking donkey you have made. Let's draw a cute little duck. First, draw a round head for the little duck. Now give her a long bill. Orange. Perfect. Draw the little duck's body. Yellow. Very good. And the wings. Draw the duck's feet so she can walk. The first foot. Now the second one. Cool! Look what a wonderful little duck you have.